Hi, welcome back to In Your Defense. I'm Attorney Steve Toland. For the last several episodes of In Your Defense, we've been talking about the use of force and self-defense, and now we finally get to a topic that everyone likes to talk about. Over the years, I think I'm asked, aside from how do you sleep at night? The answer is quite well, thank you. I'm asked the most, though, seriously, about the Castle Doctrine and about the use of deadly force. So let's dive into this Castle Doctrine right away. It comes from a law in 2007 that Texas passed related to deadly force, and it's not as complicated as you first might think. If you recall in our discussions over the last couple episodes about the use of force, the person who is asserting the justification for using force or deadly force needs to be reasonable in their belief that it was necessary to act that way. Well, the Castle Doctrine shifts that burden back to the government, and it says you are going to be presumed to be reasonable as long as you didn't provoke the incident and you're not in the middle of committing a crime. If you are reasonable in your belief that someone is breaking and entering into your home, or if someone is forcibly trying to remove you unlawfully from your home, your car, or your workplace. So the Castle Doctrine, it covers your house, it covers your car, and it covers your work. And it says that you're going to be reasonable and you're not going to have to prove through asserting a preponderance of the evidence back to the government. If you use deadly force, if you can show that you're reasonable in your belief that someone's breaking and entering into your home, car, or that somebody is trying to forcibly remove you from your home, your work, or your car. And that's pretty much it. Now let's talk about a couple examples, because Texas is kind of unique in how they define home, and that's where some people can have a lot of questions. So if you're home at night, it's 2 in the morning, and you hear the door being jingled or the shattered glass in a window, God forbid, somebody is now breaking and entering into your home unlawfully, you can stand your ground. You don't have to inquire or ask questions. You can assume that they're there in the commission of presumptively a violent crime, and you are allowed to use, and you're justified in using deadly force at that time. Where it can get sticky is that Texas defines a home as a habitation. So a habitation is your home itself where you're sleeping. It does not cover your garage if your garage is not connected to your home. It does not cover your your outhouse or a shed or where you might keep gardening or lawn equipment. It does not cover your home office if that home office is not connected to your main homestead. So believe it or not, the architectural plans and the makeup of your house would be extremely relevant if you were trying to figure out whether the Castle Doctrine and the use of deadly force defense applies. If you have any questions about this issue, God forbid that issue ever happens to you personally, but if it does, we are here to help. We have lots of experience in this area of force and deadly force, and would be happy to answer any questions you have. So reach out to me, Attorney Steve Toland, or to us at Peek & Toland. Thank you.